How to reset Samsung mobile network settings. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how can you reset Samsung mobile network settings. Resetting your network settings on Samsung phone can be helpful if you are experiencing connectivity issues with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or mobile data. Here is how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your mobile settings. And guys, I want to say something to you. After watching this video, if you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And once you are on your mobile settings, now scroll down until you find general management, and here you can see that general management, tap on it. And now scroll down until you find reset, tap on reset. And then I scroll down and here you will get reset mobile network settings, tap on it. And then now tap on reset settings, and then it will ask you your mobile pin number or password. So type your pin number or password here, and then it will inform you, are you sure you want to reset your mobile network settings? It can't be undone. So tap on reset, and as you can see that network settings reset. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.